As I walked out one evening, walking down Bristol Street, the crowds upon the pavement were fields of harvest wheat, and down by the brimming river I heard a lover sing, and round arc of the railway, love has no ending. I will love you, dear, I will love you, till China and Africa meet, and the river jumps over the mountain, and the salmon sing in the street. I will love you till the ocean is folded and hung up to dry, and the seven stars go skulking like geese about the sky. 10 years shall run like rabbits, for in my arms I hold the flower of ages and the first love of the world. But all the clocks in the city began to veer and chime. Oh, let not time deceive you, you cannot conquer time. In the burrows of the nightmare, where justice naked is, time watches from the shadow and coughs when you both kiss. In headaches, in worry, vaguely life leaks away, and time will have his fancy tomorrow or today. Into many a green valley drifts the appalling snow. Time breaks the threaded dances and the diver's brilliant bow. Up plunge your hands in water, plunge them in up to the wrist. Stare in the basin, and wonder what you've missed. The glacier knocks in the cupboard, the dessert sighs in the bed, and the crack in the teacup opens a lane to the land of the dead, where the beggars ruffle the banknotes, and the giant is enhancing to Jack, and the little white boy is a roarer, and Jill goes down on her back. Oh look in the mirror. Oh look in your distress. Life remains a blessing, although you cannot bless. Oh stand at the window, as the tears scald and start. You shall love your crooked neighbor with your crooked heart. It was late in the evening. The lovers they were gone. The clock had ceased their chiming, and the deep river ran on.